Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC if you've never visited before, and leave a like and subscribe. Today we're out here with a showcase of our project in Lawson, Missouri. This is a 7 King Pier 2 installation project, so as you can see, we are 13 inches below the footing. We have our load-bearing steel plates and our King Piers all in place. We're actually going to be doing the lift on this project tomorrow, and hopefully do the concrete and potentially finish everything up tomorrow or very early Thursday morning. So this is kind of a neat project because, as you can see, there has been previous work done at the foundation. Ultimately, it has not worked, so that's why the homeowners here have hired King Piers to raise the footing and actually raise it back to its correct level elevation, and keep it there. So yeah, just a lot of excavation on this project, but everything, the hard part looks to be over now. So tomorrow morning we'll be back out here to raise the piers, get the footing back up to level, encase the piers under the footing in high strength concrete, and then we'll be ready to backfill, get the yard looking nice and neat, and that will be it for this project. So stay tuned for more updates. You'll be able to find those again on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just a simple search, King Piers LLC, it'll pull right up. We highly encourage you to visit those pages, especially if you are dealing with any kind of what you believe to be foundation issues. We have so many videos there detailing not just the first day and the last day of our projects, but we're out here with as many updates as we can throughout the entire process of the repair work. So there's nothing that we hide on our work, so everything is what it is. So yeah, if you're dealing with any kind of foundation issues, we highly encourage you to visit those pages. It's just a great way to educate yourself on what you might be dealing with foundation wise. So again, King Piers LLC, Facebook, YouTube. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.